collard greens doing their thing. They trying to show off for y'all. Look at these Jones. Bam. See them right there? You see the leaves? Collard greens, you want this. You want this in your diet. You want to eat collard greens. They got a lot of what you need. They have a lot of vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin K, potassium, calcium, folate. It's a great source of fiber for a healthy gut, and antioxidants to clear you out, get rid of the free radicals. And then of course they taste great. They're not that hard to grow. People think that they're hard to grow. It's just because they don't know the personality of the plant, what it needs to be happy. What we're going to teach y'all on November 7th at this workshop is how to make plants happy and how to grow them in really small spaces. Look at this bed. This bed is not big. 12 feet long, about 3 feet wide. I got the wood on the outside. Even if you just have concrete in your back, you could build a little raised bed like this. Put your favorite plants that you like to eat, your favorite vegetables, you can get them in there and you can grow them. Workshop, don't forget, November 7th. Y'all come out, get some of this good stuff. I ain't gonna have the collard greens for you. I'm gonna have the knowledge on how you can grow your own collard greens. I can give you these collard greens, I feed you for a day. But I teach you how to grow these collard greens, I feed you for life. The knowledge you could pass on. The collard greens, they got an expiration date. We're gonna eat these tonight, see how I cook them up. All right, y'all, stay rooted, keep going. Bless.